In this tutorial, we're going to be talking about semantic versioning. Now, what semantic versioning is basically just a standard that a lot of Node.js packages follow. It allows for us to know what kind of changes have occurred in the updated version of the package. So to get started, you can see that I have my package.json file open, and I have a dependency installed called Nodejs. Now within here, you see the version of the package that I installed with the caret sign. And we'll talk about the caret sign within this tutorial as well. But for now, I want you to focus on these three numbers. The first number, 4, is going to represent the major version of this package. The second number is going to represent the minor version. And the third number is going to represent the patch version. Now, the major, minor, and patch numbers all have different meanings. So, for example, right now, the latest version is 4.17.11. If I wake up tomorrow and Nodejs is updated and it says the latest version is 4.17.12, that means that was a patch update. Now, all a patch update means is that they implemented some bug fixes. Now, likewise, same thing happens. I go to sleep, they update Nodejs tomorrow, and instead of 4.17.11, it's 4.18.11. So that means that there was a minor update. Now, what a minor update does is it adds new functionality and it might deprecate some of the old functionality, but you can still use it. So it's a non-breaking change update. And finally, if I was to go to sleep tomorrow and wake up, new version of Nodejs is updated, and this time we get version 5.0.0. So what does that mean? That means that there was a major update pushed out to Nodejs, and what a major update indicates is that there was a breaking change. So that means version 5.0.0 is not compatible with the code 4.17.11 or any version of 4. So now let's talk about this caret character. And this caret character was put there automatically when we typed npm install Nodejs. Now what this caret character symbolizes the following. So the following rules, if you will. So this means that whenever I use the caret character, that I do not want you to make any major updates. So that means right now I'm on version 4 as the major, but if there is a minor update or a patch update, go ahead and download those new packages. Now, there's another symbol called the tilde symbol, and the tilde symbol is right next to the number 1 on your keypad. And that means that you want the following to occur. That means you only want patch updates. So let's say I'm on 4.17 right now. that means I only want you to change the last number. So for example, if 4.18 comes out, this tilde symbol will say, hey, do not update to that package. And last but not least, let's say that you don't want the tilde or the caret sign up here. So for example, you don't want the caret sign to update the minor or the patch. And you don't want the tilde to just update the patch. What you can do is remove the caret or the tilde sign. And this guarantees that the only version of Nodejs that you will ever have within your package will be 4.17.11.